following message is transmitted at the request of the Pennsylvania State Police. This is a statewide Amber Alert for the entire state of Pennsylvania. The Williamsport Police Department is looking for a child that was abducted from his home at approximately 1 a.m. in the city of Williamsport, Pennsylvania. The child's name is Carson Hubbard, a white male, 13 years old, 5 feet 5 inches tall, 125 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. He was last seen wearing a gray t-shirt, red and black pajama pants, and was wearing no shoes. The suspect responsible for his abduction is unknown at this time. It is also unknown where the suspect is taking the child to, but it is possible that they are currently traveling on foot. The child is believed to be in grave or immediate danger. If you see the child or the suspect, call the Williamsport Police Department at area code 570-327-7560. Please stay tuned to the station for more information whenever it becomes available. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Pennsylvania State Police and the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children. This is an update to the Amber Alert that was issued for the state of Pennsylvania at about 1:05 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. As of 1:35 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 50 more children have been abducted from their homes in the city of Williamsport, Pennsylvania. They are all in age range of 5 to 14 years old. Names for the missing children can be found on the site of the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children. In addition, the suspect responsible for abducting these children has been identified as Krampus, which is a half-goat, half-demon anthropomorphic figure in Central and Eastern Alpine folklore who is known for punishing children and or parents who have misbehaved during the Christmas season. He is identified by having the following characteristics: long horns, razor-sharp teeth and claws, a goat-like beard, and also shares many features of fiendish creatures of Greek mythology, including satyrs and fauns. These children are in grave and immediate danger, and this creature could pose a major threat towards the public. As a precaution, all parents are strongly advised to keep your children in your homes until further notice. Make sure you lock all of your windows and doors so this creature cannot enter your home, as Krampus has been reported to be breaking into people's homes abducting children while they are sleeping. In addition, the city of Williamsport will be placed under a mandatory curfew that will last from 9 p.m. to 7 a.m., effective immediately, and will be in effect until the situation has been resolved. No one is allowed to be out of their homes during curfew. If anyone is caught outside skipping curfew, you will be arrested and charged with the fullest extent of the law. Tune into local media outlets for more information on this developing situation.
This is WNEP TV News, and we currently have some breaking news coming out of Williamsport on this Christmas morning. Over 50 children have been abducted from their homes across the city, and all of them are in age range of 5 to 14 years old. In addition, the suspect that is responsible for these abductions has been identified as Krampus, which is a half-demon half-goat creature from Central and Eastern Alpine folklore who is known for punishing children that have been misbehaving during the holiday season. You can identify Krampus by it having razor-sharp teeth and claws, long horns, and a goat-like beard. These children are in grave and immediate danger, and Krampus poses a major threat towards the city of Williamsport. As a precaution, all parents are strongly advised to keep their children in their homes, and make sure the house has all of its windows and doors locked to prevent Krampus from entering their residence, as this creature is breaking into people's homes abducting children while they are sleeping. Our reporter is currently unavailable at this time, but we will continue normal programming operations at this time.
Civil danger for the city of Williamsport. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Williamsport Police Department. Residents of Williamsport, lock all of your doors immediately. At approximately 2:03 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Krampus was reported to be roaming around the city of Williamsport, and was breaking into people's homes, attacking and killing civilians as well as abducting young children. This was the same creature that was responsible for the abduction of 50 children across the city of Williamsport over the last hour. Krampus is a tall, half-goat, half-demon creature from Central and Eastern Alpine folklore with long horns, razor-sharp teeth and claws, and has a goat-like beard. These children are currently nowhere to be found at this time, and it is possible that they have all disappeared. At least 15 people have been killed, with 40 others being seriously injured. In addition, 100 more children have been abducted, with all of them in age range of 5 to 14 years old. Names for these children may be found on the site of the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children. At this time, all residents of the city of Williamsport are strongly advised to remain indoors with all windows and doors locked to prevent Krampus from entering your home. Do not approach Krampus, as he is considered extremely dangerous. He will attack and kill anyone on sight, and abduct any young child he sees, no matter if they have misbehaved or not, as it has appeared that Krampus now has the desire to punish all young children instead of just kids that have been naughty. If Krampus manages to break into your home, use armed protection by all means. This includes lethal force. If you see Krampus in your area, run away as fast as possible, and call 911 immediately. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation.
This is WNEP TV, and we currently have some more breaking news coming out of Williamsport. As of 2:03 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Krampus was reported to be roaming around the city of Williamsport and was seen breaking into people's homes, attacking and killing civilians as well as abducting young children. Unfortunately, the 50 abducted children are still nowhere to be found at this time, and there is a chance that they have disappeared. Krampus has killed about 15 people, with 40 others sustaining significant injuries, and more casualties are expected as time goes on. In addition, 100 more children have been abducted by Krampus, and they are all in age range of 5 to 14 years old. Police are asking residents of Williamsport to stay in their homes and to keep all windows and doors locked to prevent Krampus from entering their homes. Do not approach Krampus as he is considered extremely dangerous, as you could face severe injury or death. If Krampus manages to break into your home, use armed protection by all means necessary. This includes lethal force. We have a reporter that is currently located in Williamsport at this time. How is the situation going?
I live in Williamsport, and it is absolutely chaos out here. Krampus is literally running wild across the city and is attacking and murdering anyone he sees. It has been reported that Krampus isn't just targeting people and children that have misbehaved during the holiday season. He has shown no mercy to anyone whatsoever and is going on a flat-out murderous rampage. This is why this situation is so dangerous right now. Williamsport police have been searching the entire city for the missing children over the last hour but are still nowhere to be found at this time. Residents of Williamsport, wherever you are, please stay in your homes and keep all of your windows and doors locked in order to protect your life. I mean it. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Oh my God, I literally see Krampus charging straight towards me. I need to get out of here right now.
An administrative message from the Williamsport Police Department. Krampus, the half-goat half-demon monster that was causing death and destruction all across Williamsport over the last 6 hours has been shot and killed by Williamsport police while trying to attack the officers. Due to this, all residents may exit their shelters at this time. Unfortunately, all of the children that Krampus abducted have all been found brutally murdered in a recently discovered lair in the city. It has been reported that Krampus ate most of the children alive in the lair, and police went inside to find the bodies mangled and dismembered. Due to this, the danger to residents is now over, and all residents may exit their shelters at this time. Repeating, Krampus has been shot and killed by Williamsport police, and residents may now exit their shelters at this time. The Williamsport police would like to thank you for your cooperation during this emergency.